Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us study about the nomenclature of organic compound. On last class we have already discussed about the how nomenclature or naming the organic compound of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, okay, and also halogen group. Today we read about how the naming of organic compound carboxylic acid and their derivative. Carboxylic acid and their derivative. Carboxylic acid mean its functional group is bond COOH or bond C double bond OH. This is functional group, and its prefix is carboxy, suffix is oic acid. Oic acid prefix is carboxy, and you know that the naming order is prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Okay, then we now naming the organic compound of with the carboxylic acid. Okay, we identify the functional group present in organic compound. Which functional group present in organic compound? Suppose HCOOH. This is the organic compound. So that we find out the functional group. Which one is functional group? That is COOH. And its word root is 1. So in IUPAC name, that is called methanoic acid. In IUPAC name, that is called methanoic acid. Meth is word root, AN is primary suffix ANE, but as the suffix is oic acid, so O should be dropped. That's why methanoic acid. Common name formic acid. Formic acid. Okay, common name formic acid. This is methanoic acid. Like that, here is second organic compound. Here is also functional group carboxylic acid. Only functional group carboxylic acid. There is no substituent group. There is no branch. Okay, there is no substituent group. There is no branch. So only the functional group, that is carboxylic acid. So you start from word root. Here is 1 and 2 number of carbon. So its word root is eth. Word root is eth, AN, primary suffix AN, and oic acid. Or common name is acetic acid. Okay. Then third, here is the functional group is carboxylic acid COOH, and there is no branch, there is no substituent group, so that there is no branch, there is no substituent group, so that it's named as what? Starting from word root. Naming starting from word root. Here is 1, 2, 3 carbon, so we start word root is prop. Prop, AN, oic acid. Okay, mean prop is word root, AN is primary suffix, and oic acid is secondary suffix. And common name also propanoic acid. Propanoic acid, like that, butanoic acid, N-butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, N-pentanoic acid, like that. When the number of carbon increases in this group, the naming should be like this. Then next organic compound. In this organic compound, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which are the functional group? This one is a functional group. This is also a functional group, and this is the substituent group, mean alkyl group. Okay, there are 3 things attached to the carbon chain, mean 2 functional group, 1 substituent group. So when two functional group comes, then you think about the priority of functional group. About the priority of functional group. Which one is the more priority in between carboxylic acid and alcohol? That is carboxylic acid. We have already written the different functional group according to their priority order. So that this is the more prior than alcohol. So you count the carbon from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is used as suffix. This is used as prefix. This is also used as prefix. One prefix attached to 2, one prefix attached to 3. As more than one prefix, so you naming alphabetically first. This is hydroxy. This is methyl. So hydroxy come first. Then you write 3 hydroxy and 3 hydroxy, 2 methyl, prefix is over, then start from word root. Here is 4 carbon, so you give the word root but, then primary suffix n and oic acid. Okay. Then this is the most important compound. Maximum student, okay, maximum student make the wrong in this compound, or that naming is wrong, because here is, you see that two functional group, one is carboxylic acid, another is also carboxylic acid, and here is longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but this longest chain is the wrong, because here is also a functional group. You know that always the functional group include the principal chain. So this start from this to this side, like 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Here is this is the substituent group. This is the substituent group. So that here is 1, 2, 3 mean prop. Sorry, first you write the prefix. Prefix is propyl, because alkyl word root is 3. So that propyl attached to 2 propyl, then principal chain word root is prop, and here is two functional group attached, mean both are carboxylic acid. So both are attached to, one is 1, another one is 3. N primary suffix n, 1, 3, then dioic acid. Okay. Then this is the organic compound, another organic compound. Here is, you see that here is also a functional group, here is also a functional group, here is also a functional group. There are 3 functional group in this chain. There are 3. One is carboxylic acid, another one is ketone, another one is aldehyde. When you know that when more than one functional group comes, then you naming from the higher priority functional group. So find out which one is the higher priority in between carboxylic acid, ketone and aldehyde. That is carboxylic acid. Then you should count from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One functional group ketone, another functional group aldehyde. These two functional group used as prefix. Its prefix is formyl. Its prefix is oxo or keto. So that you starting from alphabetically first F. So for formyl, 2 keto and 1 word root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent an 1 oic acid. Okay, this is all about the naming about the pattern. carboxylic acid. If double bond present, then you give the En. If double bond or triple bond present, then you give the priority towards double bond. Okay. Then we read about the functional group of derivative of carboxylic acid, which are derived from carboxylic acid. Then we naming about this derivative of carboxylic acid. Okay. This is the derivative of carboxylic acid. Derivative means it derives from carboxylic acid. You know that R C double bond O OH. When this OH group replace and another functional group attached, that is called derivative of carboxylic acid. Here is OH attached and chloride is OH removed and chloride is attached. So that this is acid chloride. This is acid chloride. And here you see that OH removed and that place the amine will attach. So that it is acid amide. Here you see that R C means OH removed and that plus another OR group attached. Then so that this is ester. This is ester. And these are RCOO and RCO, two carbonyl group attached to oxygen. That is called acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Okay. Then here is first you starting the naming acid chloride, functional group RCOCl and its suffix OYL, oil chloride. Okay. Here is only one functional group. There is no branch, there is no substituent group, or there is no other functional group. So that it naming starting from word root, one carbon. So you name meth. Primary suffix N, Ne, here is oil. Here is two vowels, so one vowel should be dropped. Mean An, oil chloride. And its common name is formyl chloride. Formyl chloride. Then second, there is also only functional group, only one functional group, that is acid chloride. There is no other functional group, there is no other substituent group. So we starting the naming from word root. Here is two carbon, so word root is eth, primary suffix is N and oil chloride. Ethan oil chloride or acetyl, common name is acetyl chloride. Here is three, only one functional group, there is no other functional group, there is no other substituent group. So we start from word root. Carbon is 1, 2, 3. Word root is so that prop, primary suffix Ne, E should be dropped, OYL, oil chloride. It's also means common name is propanyl chloride. Okay, like butanil, pentanyl, like that. Here you see that there are one functional group acid chloride, another functional group alcohol, and one substituent group methyl. One functional group, one alcohol group, another substituent group. As two functional group present, then we should give the priority towards higher priority, mean acid chloride. So you naming from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is, these two are used as prefix. This is hydroxy, this is methyl, alphabetically hydroxy come first. So you give the 3 hydroxy 2 methyl 1 2 3 4 but ANOYL chloride. Okay, this is the all about of the naming of a functional organic compound containing functional group acid chloride, containing functional group acid chloride. Okay, then acid amide, mean HCONH2 CH3CONH2 CH3CH2 means CO functional group is RC double bond O NH2 RCONH2. The suffix is amide, so you look that here is only one carbon, one functional group, so you start from word root is meth, primary suffix n, amide NE, but E drop due to the vowel comes, so that amide vowels comes in suffix, methanamide or formamide. Common name is formamide. Here you look that here is one functional group acid amide, another that is only no branch, no other functional group, so you naming from there functional group 1 2 starting from word root H2 carbon, then you start word root is eth, primary suffix is n and amide, acetamide, common name is acetamide. Here you look CH3CH2 CONH2 mean there is no other functional group, only one functional group, that is acetamide, then 3 carbon starting word root from prop, primary suffix is n, then amide. It is also propanamide. Then this compound. Okay, this is functional group, this is also another functional group, no substituent group, but here is double bond. Okay, then you give toward the priority more is acetamide, so alcohol group used as prefix. Okay, only one prefix that attached from 1 2 3 4 5, so 4 hydroxy 1 2 3 4 5 mean word root is pent, and primary suffix is ene due to the presence of double bond. Okay, its primary suffix is ene attached to 2 carbon, so that locand is 2, then E should be dropped, amide. Okay, this is all about the functional group of organic compound containing acid chloride and acid amide. Then we go to the naming organic compound containing ester and acid anhydride, containing acid or hydride. Now we start about the ester. Ester means its alternative name is alkyl alkanoid, because you know that functional group is R, C double bond O R, mean 2 alkyl group. Here is one alkyl group, another one is 2 alkyl group, 2 separate word root. Okay, then question arises, which word root get oil prefix and which word root get OAT prefix. Okay, and you know that the ester, when ester undergoes hydrolysis when react with the water, so what will happen? R C double bond O, here is H OH, then OH plus R OH, carboxylic acid, and alcohol is formed from which the carboxylic acid is formed, that give the prefix OH, and from which the alcohol is formed, this give the takes the prefix YL. Okay, means always the COO part always take OH. Then here you see the HCOO CH3. HCOO CH3 mean when we divide HCOOH CH3OH, this is carboxylic part, this is alcohol part, so that it's take OH, it's take oil, mean methanoate, and common name is formate. Okay, formate. Here you see that this one part is the carboxylic acid CH3COOH. Here is CH3 mean alkyl group, so methyl. Here is ethanoate, here is 2 carbon, and ethanoate. Okay, and acetyl or ethyl acetate, here is HCOO-C2H5, mean this is carboxylic acid part, only 1 carbon, so methanoate. This is alkyl part, 2 carbon, that is alkyl part written first, so alkyl mean ethyl methanoate. Here is ethyl methanoate. Here is also ethyl formate. Common name is ethyl formate. Here you see that this is the alcohol part and this is the carboxylic acid part. This contain 1 to 3 carbon. 1 to 3 carbon mean what would prop and N with the OAT, because this takes the suffix OAT and this takes the suffix YL. So methyl propanoate. Okay, methyl propanoate. Here is also methyl propanoate. Okay, this is all about the naming organic compound containing functional group ester. Okay, then we go to acid anhydride. Acid anhydride mean C double bond O C double bond O R, means its suffix is oic anhydride. In carboxylic acid, oic acid. In acid anhydride, oic anhydride. Okay, here you look that. Here is HCO mean RCO and RCO, both are connect to oxygen atom. So this is acid anhydride group, so that its naming is only 1 carbon, methanoic, methanoic anhydride, that is formyl anhydride. And here you look that here is also 2 carbon, here is also 2 carbon, both attached to O, so that this is the acid anhydride group, and as 2 carbon, that is known as what root is eth. What root is eth, primary suffix N, oic anhydride, ethanoic anhydride. This is also acetyl anhydride. Okay, Here you look that. This is the most important things. In this anhydride, both part are the same. Here is also one carbon, here is also one carbon. So this is symmetric in nature. In this is 2 carbon, this is 2 carbon. That is also symmetric. But this in this case, here is O. So this one is one part, this one is another part. This is only 2 carbon, this is 3 carbon. Mean unsymmetric. Then when unsymmetric carbon, mean unsymmetric acid anhydride compound, then you name the both acid group. So this is methanoic, this is propanoic. So you write methanoic, propanoic, propanoic acid anhydride, okay, acid anhydride. Clear? This is all about the process of naming organic compound which contain ester and acid anhydride. Okay, today we discussed all the functional group of carboxylic acid and derivative. Then next class we discuss about the other functional group like nitrile, nitro, sulfonic acid, etc., etc. Okay, thank you.